Welcome back to PMart. Today we have Andar Aspen for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Premium full grain oil wax leather. The way it feels on your hands and fingers, nice and smooth. You can just feel the quality of it. You have matching alloy camera bezels and clicky buttons. The camera control, not just a cutout. They even offer a lifetime warranty, one cosmetic replacement, and MagSafe capable, so you can put in their matching MagSafe accessories, like the kickback that you can use for a phone stand, both portrait and landscape mode. Hold your IDs and cards. Even has a strap for better grip. It has good magnets, and of course, wireless charge. If you want the updated price and want to save a couple of bucks, we'll put a link down below, so let's open it. This is what the packaging looks like. A little tab here when you pull it. Also has a magnet there so it doesn't just slide off. Go ahead and open it. Taking this out. Also magnets here on the cardboard so that when you open it, it doesn't like fall off. Nice packaging. No manual inside the box. Then we have that premium oil wax leather case. Just nice and smooth on hand and finger. Just that built-in premium quality. You can just feel it. Going on the top, nice and smooth. You got the on and off button here. We'll check if this is clicky later. It's also made out of aluminum. I like this. It's not just a cutout. You actually have a physical button. Opposite side, action button, volume rockers. We'll check if it's clicky later. And then you have the Andar naming on the side here. And there's no hold for the lanyard. Bottom area, you have speaker cutouts that matches the phone, and we always check this part nice and hard because you have USB-C here. You keep plugging this in and out. In time, this might rip, so this one is pretty hard. Microfiber lining, so you don't have to worry about it scratching your phone. Nice and smooth, and there's no like pivots or any like dips or any honeycomb structure. It's just nice and smooth surrounding the phone. Naming at the bottom, you have MagSafe magnets right in the middle. It also has that alignment on the side. It's one way you could tell if it's the Pro or the Pro Max. Camera bezel, which is also made out of alloy, matching the buttons. I do like that. And we'll check if it's high enough to protect those lenses. And I always do this, so it's nice and smooth. You have other cases a little bit on the sharp side. It's not going to cut your finger or anything. It's just that when you're putting it in and out of your pocket, it's more of a skin irritant. This one's rounded nice, so it's smooth. And of course, we got to do the scientific. Yeah, leather smell. We have the midnight blue iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let us know which color you got. Put the phone, I start at the bottom first. Sandwich will be like 2 thumbs, so there's little to no space left. Then I just push. Now this is what it looks like with the case on. Nice. It does blend well with the midnight blue. I would have preferred it black, but this is the only color that they have for the iPhone. Nice and smooth to the fingers. Now it does become a little bit on the slippery side because of this leather, but it does feel nice. Let's check out the buttons. Okay, clicky buttons. Same for the on and off. Let's try the camera control. Go ahead and press it. Okay, and then zoom in, zoom out. All right. There's no speaker cutout on top. We do have a screen protector here. Looking on at the side, you see this lip here. You still have that exposed bottom here, or the aluminum. So even without this, it'll still be high enough to protect that actual screen. Speaker cutout that matches phone. Let's try the USB-C port. Oh, it's a little bit tight in there. Let's try it again. Let's see if it even charges. Okay, so it does charge, just a little bit on the snug side. Camera bezel, let's see if it's high enough to protect those lenses. Yep, here's a view from the other side. I would probably prefer this a little bit close, like maybe just a pill shape opening here, because having all this exposure here, there's a good chance it might get scratched. Let's look at the fitment on the side here. It doesn't really move. The buttons moves a little bit, which is understandable. Bottom, top. Nice fitting case. Is it hard or easy to take off? Start at the bottom first. Do the top. If you're the type of person that changes cloth, it's okay. Taking it off is alright. Now, Andar does offer a lifetime warranty, one cosmetic replacement to keep it nice looking and fresh. So let's try the MagSafe capabilities. Would you want to charge? This one's also made by Andar. Same similar packaging. Has that magnet on top to prevent it from falling. Let's go ahead and open it. Of course, we gotta do the scientific smell test. Yeah, full grain leather. Now what I like about this is a 3-in-1. It's a stand, grip, and a wallet. So you open it up. Oh yeah, it's actually pretty stiff, which is good. You want it to kind of hold the phone. So open it up, put it on portrait, also landscape, or you could just twist your phone. It opens all the way almost 180. It does have a good stiffness on it, like I mentioned. And they're naming at the bottom. And you do have a little bit of slot here. You could easily just pop out your ID or your card. It holds about 1 to 3 cards. Let's go ahead and try it. 1, 2. Okay, 3. So yeah, I would say maybe that would be the max. Pretty tight in there. I mean, in time, this will stretch out. So I'd say, well, let's try another one. Let's see what would happen. So technically, you can put 4 in there. but it will stretch and it'll get a little bit bulky, so it's up to you. I mean, technically 1 to 3 cards is good. You could put another one in there. See if we can pop it out. Yeah, it's a little bit tight, but it will stretch. But even with one, let's just see if it pops out. So it's not even gonna pop out even with just one, so it's good. This one is with the strap, which I do prefer. It gives you a better hold, but they do have an option without it. So keep it more plain. Grab our phone, put it there. Nice and matching. Now they do offer 6 colors, but this one I just like how it matches with the camel tan. And they do have a magnet at the bottom, so it does line it up nicely. And with the strap, it just gives you a better reach or a better hold. I mean, this is a pretty big phone. I like that. Let's go ahead and open it. Pull this out so you can put it both portrait and also, if you want to twist this, landscape. Close it up. Let's go ahead and take this out. That's what it looks like. It does give you a little bit more bulk, but you have everything, your phone, your wallet, and a stand. Let's go ahead and try that magnet, see if it's strong. So with just a regular hold, you'll be okay. Let's go ahead and exaggerate this already. Up and down, left to right, twist, shake. Now with that leather, it does get a little bit slippery, but decent magnets. Good hold. Doesn't really come off. I mean, of course, you're not going to do this, but if you do this, it will come off. And if you're just holding the phone with the wallet pop out, no. It's not going to come off. Even if you try like this, it's not going to slide off. This one's a kickback. It's the one that doesn't have any straps. So this one's a little bit more simpler compared to the strap. I do understand if you have that black line going in there, you just want it just kind of plain and nice. Match it with your phone. Wow, it does look nice as well too. Everything just go hand in hand, both camel tan. You will get some patina in there in time. Does the same thing, opens up. Use it as a stand. Close it, put your card in there. Go ahead and pop it out with that little slot in there. So let us know in the comments below which one you prefer, the one with the strap or without it. I mean, this one gives it a little bit more hold. This one just has that nicer look to it, a little bit more clean. Without. If you just want to keep it a little bit more minimal and still have a wallet, they offer this one. It's called the Mag, also matching color camel tan. This is what it looks like. This one doesn't offer like a stand or a grip. It's just more like a card holder. Also comes in different colors to match your case. If you want like a popper, this one's technically red. This would pop even more if you have like a darker case. Case secure, it will not wireless charge, just way too thick, so it won't even charge. You have to take this off and then charge it. Same for the Mag. You have to take it off for it to wireless charge. In case you're curious on how much it weighs, it's at 40 grams. If you have like cords laying around, it's kind of messy. They have this, it's called the cord burrito. Let's go ahead and take it out. Comes with a sticker and 3 leather wraps. It also comes in different colors. Get my beat up headset, wrap it up, make it nice, clean, and organized. And if you have like a thicker cable, this was made for your charging cable. And if you have a longer one, a bigger size. Nice, neat, and organized. So that's your Andar Aspen for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Peeling full grain oil wax leather, you just have that nice posh looking build quality. You have matching black buttons and camera bezel that's made out of alloy. Camera control button, not just a cutout. MagSafe capable, so you can put in your favorite MagSafe accessory like the kickback. That's a wallet that can hold 3 cards. A stand that you can put both portrait and landscape mode. And with that strap, you can use it as a grip. And of course, wireless charge. If you want a discount and want the updated price, we'll put a link down below. Let us know if you have any questions. Subscribe and stay positive.